Can't say what? Why? Hello guys, hope you're well. We're going to carry on with the dessert series. My favourite recipes of all time. My favourite desserts. We've been to the UK, now we're going back to the US. Feels like we're just going back and forth. Anyway, yes, chocolate brownies. Absolutely delicious. Do you like a fudgy one or do you like a cakey one? Abigail, do you like a fudgy brownie?
No.
No, I do. I love a fudgy. Is this recording? In order to get get you a marshmallow? Can I get you one in a minute? In order to get a fudgy brownie, you add more fat, butter, oil. To get a cakey brownie, you add more flour. And I like a fudgy brownie, delicious. Especially with the chocolate chips in there. So I'm going to do a chocolate chip brownie with ice cream on top. And I love them. See, I'm getting really excited now. I love them lukewarm with some ice cream on top, cold ice cream. Absolutely beautiful. Just put your fork in there, get a bit of ice cream, get a bit of that fudgy brownie, that chocolate chip. What I love about this recipe, it's so simple to make. It's quick, it's a 5-minute prep, and all you got to do is bung it in the oven. It takes around about 40 minutes, and that's it. Just check it with a toothpick, and you should be good to go. So enjoy this chocolate chip brownie. I'm going to show you how easy and simple and quick it is to actually make. And the end result's amazing. So slap a like on this video, subscribe, you know what to do. Sit back and relax and enjoy. I hope you make it because it really is a treat. All right, Abigail, I'm done. Yeah, I'll get you a marshmallow. All right, guys, enjoy. Thanks, guys. I'm 3. 1 marshmallow. Okay. First, line your baking pan with parchment paper. Cut the corners and fold the edges. Spray the pan with cooking oil. Place in the parchment paper and put to one side. Next, grab a large bowl. For the dry mix, add sugar, sifting flour, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar. Add the chocolate chips, followed by a pinch of salt. Mix well and put to one side. For the wet mix, again, grab a large bowl. Add the eggs, oil, water, and vanilla extract, or you can use a vanilla pod. Now whisk. Next, add the dry mix into the wet mix and stir until combined, and try not to overmix. Spray with cooking oil. Pour the batter into the baking pan and smooth the top. Now place in the oven and cook. So there you have it, delicious fudgy brownies, quick and simple to make. Give it a go. Thanks guys. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.